Hi! Alright, so I'm going to do a really quick video. My favorite snack food is goldfish crackers, but since you guys have both said that, I'm going to go with Wheat Thins. Wheat Thins are second favorite. Goldfish definitely win though. I actually like the whole wheat, or whole grain, whatever they're called. And then so I was inspired by your video, Kendra, and I went out and bought a whole carton of them. They're amazing. But I don't have them with me, which is kind of sad because right as I started doing this video, I wanted goldfish crackers. But whatever. It's freezing cold outside, and I'm not about to run and get them. Actually, that brings me to my next topic. The weather, it's insane. So, yesterday, I was going to go to work, and it was like 1 o'clock, because I worked 1 to 5, and it was bright, the sun was shining, there were hardly any clouds in the sky. It was windy, but it was warm, like warmer than usual. So when I say warm, I mean like 50, 45 degrees, 40, I don't know, I have no idea, but it felt warm. I actually drove to work with my windows down, that's how warm it was. So I was like, wow, sweet, I'm totally going to enjoy this. So I didn't take a coat with me to work. Bad idea. 4 hours, that's it. I was in the mall for 4 hours. When I came outside, I actually pushed the door open and was blasted in the face with a whole bunch of snow and wind, and it was crazy, and it actually startled me so much that I slammed the door shut, and I was like, ah! Because I was not expecting that, and it was super disappointing. I was really disappointed with the sun. Like, seriously, the sun totally could have beat that off. But whatever. So the weather is crazy here. Apparently, anytime it's like crazy warm during the winter, it means that there's going to be like a really ridiculous freeze because warmer, hotter rises, right? So warm air blows in from the south, and then the cold northern winds come in, and then they meet in the middle, and this wind is all dirty and gross, and so it gets really nasty. They actually have signs that say, drive less, the weather's gonna, or the air's gonna be dirty, and it's hilarious. So they have, yeah, so the south wind comes in, and the north wind comes in, and they go, whoop, and it's so fast that in like an hour or two, it can drop, like, I don't even know, 30 degrees. And so it was freezing cold all of a sudden. And so I just kind of ran to my car, and it was covered in snow and ice. And I was like, what the heck? My car is like an ice cube. And it was warm and sunny just 4 hours ago. Not fun. So today, it actually hasn't been snowing at all. It's super bright. There are, like, no clouds at all in the sky. It isn't windy. The air is perfectly clear. It's very pretty, and it isn't even actually that cold. I'm surprised about that. I don't understand the weather here. I'm just used to 70 degrees always, which is California. So, anyway, enjoy your weather, guys, where you can go outside in shorts, because I miss it. Whatever. Anyway. Oh, an interesting thing is that I'm actually going to be going to San Francisco in like a week and a half for like a ministry conference with the Bible study group that I go to here, and we're just going to take a 15-passenger van or 2 and road trip it over there, and then we're actually renting 2 hotel rooms, and we're just going to crash in there. It's like a 4-day thing, but apparently we get a lot of time to just do whatever, so we're going to explore San Francisco, which will be fun. This past Sunday, I went to my very first Super Bowl party. I didn't really watch the game. I mean, I sat so that I could see the TV the whole time, but I was just talking to people, and I only tuned in when the commercials were on and during the halftime show. The halftime show was disappointing. I don't know anything about the Black Eyed Peas, except I know now that I don't like them, because that was terrible. And there was just a lot of lights, which looked cool when they like zoomed out and all the people were lit up. That was interesting. But yeah, my favorite commercial was, well, of the ones that I saw, was the one where the guy's driving down the road and he swerves to miss the beaver, and the beaver's like, thanks man, wherever, and he gives him like the peace sign. There, you can see those fingers. And then the man drives on and across the bridge, and then later he comes and the beaver chews down the tree and it falls in his way, and he's like, that was really funny. Yeah, so that was my favorite. So, what was your favorite Super Bowl commercial, and what did you do for the Super Bowl? I will look forward to seeing you guys in your next videos. P.S. You're awesome.